When crypto is pumping and you're in profit, how do you lock those profits in, or should you lock those profits in? I'm going to show you right now. Hey, good morning, everyone. Just want to go ahead and show you really quick about on premium trade alerts. I like to at some point set a trailing stop loss. Like I said, the Scalp DCA trades, we actually have a 100% win rate on these, but I still like to lock in my profits. So you can see the PEPE trade this morning. So I'll show you guys what I did with this. Is I went in here into my 3 commas, and to me, I find it's just the easiest way to do this, but you can do this on exchange as well. And then once my profit got up to about 2%, I manually came in here and increased this. I went like this. I put this to 0.25, and then I went like that, and I say, hey, I get at least 22 bucks. But then I put trailing stop loss on, and then I hit the save button. Now, I'm not going to do that, because then what it'll do is it'll lock in at least 0.25% profit. So in case that thing really, really backed off. But you can see I'm just about to hit the take profit there, and this thing is trailing up. And oh, this actually might take profit. Yep, there we go. We just took profit while we were doing this live. So I just made a quick $462 this morning. Finished it. I didn't need to use the stop loss, but just as fast as crypto can go up, it can go down. And don't forget to lock in those profits along the way. Alrighty, guys, have a great day. Remember, lock in those profits as we go up. As fast as we can go up, we can go down. And if you're doing scalp DCA trades, if you're doing the trade alerts, lock those profits in, lock those profits in. Congratulations on all your success.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.